This is a companion video to my full guide on replacing the knock sensor on Hondas with the K24 engine. See the link below for that full video. I'm going to show how to unclip the knock sensor without removing the intake. With some light on the knock sensor, you can see the knock sensor from the left side of the engine. I can reach in with my hand, but can't quite unclip it. Instead, I'll go in with a pair of 8-inch pliers, position the tip of the pliers over the connector, and release the clip. Then pull the connector out of the way. Be careful not to damage or pull on the connector wire. After replacing the knock sensor, clip the connector back on, being mindful to align it properly onto the new sensor, as it may be rotated differently. In my case, I'll push the connector back on by hand, but you may need to use the pliers.